Hi, this is Connor with Westside Construction. I'm up here doing a repairability test on this wind damaged shingle here. So I'm going to start off by taking removing the shingle. Get this shingle on top of it unsecured, as well as the shingle on top of that. Using the roof snake, insurance approved. Alright, go ahead and get these nails out. So let me see that really quick. So as you can see here, that nail has already pulled through the shingle. So if that's a running trend for these other shingles, we're gonna have a problem. Got that one. And then the other nails on this shingle have also already pulled through right here. So we're gonna go on to the next row. First nail there, next nail here. So let me see this. You can see the nail has pulled through the shingle, creating a much larger hole in the shingle, meaning I can't put a nail through that same hole because now the hole is wider than what the nail head will cover. This next one. Came out. That one also, so you see that has also pulled through right there, meaning that now this hole here, let me see that. There you go. We got that shingle out, and we have pulled nails through the shingle above the shingle that we just removed, causing this shingle to now need to be removed and replaced, because the nail line and the existing nail holes that I would try and re-nail into are now compromised to the point to where the shingle we would need to replace the entire shingle. Meaning that this roof is not repairable because we just caused more damage to the shingles around the shingle we just removed than if we would have just let the shingle alone. So this roof is not repairable. We're going to send this over to you guys and get this buttoned up.